it could be this simple forever.
Alright, so that was about 10 minutes, 15 minutes worth of work, and got this bang straight. It's pretty flat. You know, there's going to be some waves in it, but for a cabinet that's just for the generator, this will work. So I'm just going to grind it all down and spray it, get rid of all the rust. You can see how bad it is. This is the bottom that faces the road, so yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. So this one's good. We're just gonna tackle this, and I just have to bang out this one, which is the gap filler, and this one is pretty good. A couple of bangs that'll straighten out. So yeah, so far going so good. All right, I'm not gonna bore you with grinding away at metal, so I'll show you once it's all done. It's pretty good. I just test fit it and grinded it all down. You know, with this Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 reform and sealer, it says to leave some rust on it so it can bind to it. So I just ground it down with a wire wheel. So we're gonna go now and paint it. But yeah, still a little wavy in some spots, but I think once I zip everything together, it should work out nice. Alright, just gonna let that dry. Alright, there it is. Not perfect, but it's banged out back to the shape that we can use to rebuild the whole cabinet. So just gonna spray it, and yeah. All right, what's up everybody? Next day, and let me show you how we made out. I unclamped the rear panel of the RV. Here it is. So it's actually pretty good. It actually glued up pretty decently. So yeah, that's where we're at. And now I'm just gonna weld this support bar back to place. You can see it kind of snapped. I have a little bit of a gap. I should be able to fill that. I'm not gonna be able to bend this back up, but that should be all right. And then I took these two caps off. You can see I have a little bit of a crack. I'm gonna put some sealant in there. There was no butyl tape or any kind of sealant still here, so I think there might have been some water penetration through here and here, because there wasn't any butyl tape along here. So I don't know if this was ever pulled off by previous owners. All right, so let's go. All right, so I'm gonna reattach these clips, and I'm gonna put some butyl tape behind them, and then we'll re-screw them in. All right. Oh, and then the other issue we have is that the remnants of Hurricane Ian are coming tonight around 1 a.m. I'm not going to have the bumper obviously finished, so I'm going to have to tape this off really well. And then I also discovered another issue with our rear bumper that's I'm going to show on another video, so that's even more fun because, yeah, why not? Got these support bars, got them all rust treated and painted again. This was one of the other bars I took off, and I actually had to weld back the tabs because they were snapped. So got that done. So now we're just going to put them back in. And the other good thing is, so I'm now replacing everything with stainless steel screws. Nice. So good there. Now we got to put in the long one, but that one I have to do, I think, after I put in the front panel. Alright, so here's the front panel. Got some butyl tape on the top. I got to screw it up through the bottom, so hopefully I can get that to happen pretty easily while I hold it into place. Alright folks, the panel is attached and the support bars are done. Now we got to put this gap piece. So this, I'm pretty sure, because I don't remember when I took it apart. It was also crunked, like smashed up. But I think this fills this gap here. It looks like it lines up with the holes here, and then this and these line up to screw together. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and go with that. I think it'll work. So that's back together. Pretty decent. Just gonna put, I have new weather bulb seal here. I'm gonna do that. But yeah, everything's tied together, so I can put the lock on here. Which won't work, obviously, because the door's still busted. But yeah. Alright, look at that. It's rebuilt. Almost. 90%. All right, new bulb seal. Look at that. You can see how much there is to bang out, because this goes to right about here and the bumper comes to here. So yeah, we got some work to do, but I'm pretty happy so far. All right, everybody, so I just put the rear corner bumper back on to see how it is, and it looks pretty good. Obviously I got a lot of sanding to do to clean up that repair spot here, but that's gonna be it for this video. I think I'm going to do the next video on the rear door and banging that out, and then I'll do a full final assembly when it's all done. Hopefully it works. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay lost, everybody.